Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the gun safe. Open and visually inspect the cylinder, remove all ammunition, and keep it away. Once done, lay the revolver on a padded mat and gather a #1 Phillips, a brass punch, a rubber mallet, and a small non-marring pry tool. Locate the single grip screw on the left side and turn slowly counterclockwise. Resist stripping by applying steady pressure. If it begins to bind, pause, reseat the driver, and clear any debris from the screw head before continuing. Once the screw and any washer are free, support the frame and slide the right and left grip panels outward from their mating channels. You may need to angle them slightly to clear locator tabs. Use a brass punch only if a pin must be nudged. Never use steel against wood or soft laminate to avoid damage. As you separate parts, observe spring tension and any internal spacers. Place each component in a parts tray in order, because orientation matters when you reassemble, to ensure proper fit and function. With the grips removed, inspect mating surfaces, screw threads, and any pins for damage and clean away old debris. Use a soft brush and light oil on metal, and avoid harsh solvents on wood or laminate grips. When reinstalling, align locator tabs, slide panels into place, and start the screw by hand to prevent cross-threading. Tighten snugly but don't over-torque. If a screw is stuck or stripped, apply penetrating oil, let it soak, use the correct driver, and as a last resort, apply gentle heat to the surrounding area to break adhesion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.